I think it's time to change this bandsaw tire. It's dry rotted, it's old, it's brittle, it's falling apart, it's rubber, it's probably the original one, and you can just see how bad it is, especially right there. I mean, that's the tire flaking off. Let's get this changed out today. On the upside, one thing good about having a bad tire on your bandsaw, it's going to make it real easy to get off. It's going to be easier to take the wheel off. Never actually done this before, but look at that big old chunk of that tire. Hear how brittle that is? That's just crazy. You can actually hear it snap. So I'm going to take the wheel off. I believe this will be reverse thread. And it is. It's a lot easier than I was anticipating, quite honestly. I knew it was about time for this, but didn't realize it was that bad. I mean, look at that. That's the tire. It's crazy. That is just way past due. Don't let it get that bad. So I've cleaned up all the stuff off the wheel, and I'm going to clean that with a little bit of mineral spirits just to get all the residue and junk off of it. Not so sure mineral spirits is the way to go, but hey, that's what I got, and that's what I'm going to use. Look at all that tire over there. The ones that I can So I'm going to try to put this tire on without heating it up and boiling it in water or anything. I'm just going to try it once. And if I have to boil the tire to get it on there, I will. But if I just have to force it, I'll do that too. And get my big old barefoot in there. All right. Plan B. And if my foot fit inside those spokes, it would help. So close, but yet so far away. If nothing else, this is comical. Oh, sorry. So close. There we go. Oh, son of a bitch.
It was on there and it fell off. It's not very easy. I really wish I could step on it. Let's try plan C. Oh, little mother. Damn near came completely off. Alright. Little bastard. Two of these. Completely seated. So now I have this. And this side should be easy. Like I said, if nothing else, this is comical. Okay. I gotta put this back. This one I soaked in hot water. That last one was a pain in the ass. So you can tell it's already easier. Almost had that on the first shot. Alright, so two ways to do the tires on your bandsaw. One was obviously a lot easier than the other. That kind of helps me remember how to do it the right way. If I do something that's completely the wrong way and I recognize that in my little brain, I will definitely remember how to do it next time the correct way, the faster way, and obviously the easier way. But definitely with these urethane tires, heat up the water to about 120 degrees. Let the tires set in the water for about 4 to 5, 6 minutes or so. That makes that tire so much easier and pliable to put on the wheel. Now I've already got this reassembled. I I didn't put the 3/4 inch blade back in, but I did put a 1/4 inch blade in, and I used the Carter stabilizer for the 1/4 inch blade. So everything's put back together. It seems to be tracking good, and I'm ready to fire this thing up. Alright, so everything's back together, seems to be running and cutting good. I'd like to thank you for stopping by today. Hopefully you learned something today, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.